How to fix TikTok shop not showing. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started with fixing this problem. First and foremost, you have to make sure that you are using the latest version of your app. So head over to your Play Store and simply search for TikTok. If you see update here, you have to tap on update and update your TikTok app. Launch your TikTok. Get logged into your specific TikTok account where you are having the problem, then tap onto your profile. Once done, tap on three-bar icon. Select Settings and Privacy. Scroll all the way below, then under Support and About, tap on Report a Problem. Once done, you will see a page like this. Expand the option of Account and Profile. Tap on Profile Page. Likewise, tap on Other. Tap on Need More Help. And here, simply tap on this Other button and type in your problem that you are not being able to see this option. And likewise, follow the on-screen prompt in order to fix your problem. That is all for today, you guys. Thank you all for watching. If it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.